welcome back to another video. Today we're playing a new game. This game is called Gun Raiders. Right now it is in Season 9. I've played a bit, of course. The Battle Pass is called Stormkeep. But yeah, this is really a game where you can do, where you can go to arenas, you can do Battle Royale, go to the Melee Dojo to test out your melee skills, or just go to free fire and all that.
Your minigun was like...
But, I'm going to head over to the Melee Dojo because, well, I see a free kill.
What in the name? What are you doing here? This is what that kid told me.
Okay,
that's nice. Wait, good. GG. Good. Oh yeah. Wait, this is how the case.
I know I'm not the only one who just saw that.
Like this. It could be.
Okay, I know everyone saw that.
That's funny. Wait. What?
This damn stick drift's gonna get me murdered.
What are you talking about? Nice one.
You can't hit through a damn shield.
Stop using shields. No way, stop cheating.
I hate this game's hitboxes because they're all bullshit. See, he hit me. Yeah, he died. And I'm over here, and he's slicing way. Yeah, no.
Wait. Oh wait, I'm gonna block you guys. No way, hacker.
I hit him with the same exact tech that he hit me with, and I died. He's using spirit, and no.
No way. Stop the thing.
Double kill. Triple kill.
And of course, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna... This is why I do arena and I don't do the dojo.
No, what a hacker you are. This is how hacker it does.
Stop complaining about hackers and just get good.
What you got? Bro, stop that.
No.
Want to do it one more time? I'm gonna block you. Want to do it one more time? Bro, stop that. Snake. No! Hackers.
What'd you just call me?
You're stupid.
Okay, kid. You wanna be toxic? You really wanna be toxic? Get good.
What you get done. Bro, stop hacking.
We're still hacking. We're still hacking.
Stop hacking. I'm gonna
Stop sweating.
How you doing that?
Wait, I have a question.
called
I
a-
have a question. I have
Oh,
a
now we
question.
know.
I have a question.
You didn't even get the kill.
Double kill.
I have
Bro,
a question.
Stop.
I have a question. What?
You stop hacking. You're
I have a question.
dumb. Go.
Shut up.
Shut up.
I said. Ah! I want candy. I'll take you to my van and get you some candy.
No.
I hit him, and I died.
I have a question.
Shut up. You dumb.
I have a question. Will you answer?
You have a question. Why you guys? You're dumb.
Will you answer my question? Will you answer my question?
What's your question?
Okay.
What's your question?
So that none of you will kill me. Okay.
What's your
Okay.
Can't take this anymore.
Okay, ready? Are you ready for my
Yes.
question?
Sit down, you 5-year-old.
Look. Everybody look. No, 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 wait. Look, everybody look.
No.
Okay.
Wait, are you ready?
I've been ready for the past 5 hours.
Well, okay, so I'm getting my nails done today. I'm getting my
Stupid, I'm gonna block you, stupid.
No! And I want to know what color.
I don't know, I'm...
Press tight.
Run!
Over here. Oh! Oh!
You're such a rat.
No, I'm gonna destroy you for not listening. Wait a second.
Look, 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 look.
Guys, my minigun is so big. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Where'd he go? I hear his gun. Oh. No, that's... No, but...
Whoa, buddy.
Okay, fine. Kill me. Kill me. Thank you. Thank you. You're so nice. Yay! Kill me. Ah! Ow, I'm losing fuel. Ah!
Hey, buddy.
Anyway, I'm gonna go over to there.
Look at my minigun. Something happened. Everybody go to the safe zone and what happened? Oh,
Lift off
joining
in
you.
5, 4,
Hey, for
3,
me.
2, 1.
In case anyone's wondering, yeah, yes, there is, yes, you do spawn with, like, any gun in arenas. In Battle Royale, you have to look for your gun.
Your team has the enemy flag.
got it. They got her flag. Hey, I got her flag. Dude, you got her flag.
Yeah,
Double
that's the whole
kill.
point.
You wanna go all out? I'll go all out too. Who gets the point?
Why we come back? Wait.
Your team has the enemy flag. Your team has the enemy flag.
Guys, hold it up!
Your team scored.
Oh my god. I'm feeling alright.
Your team has the enemy flag.
Eat that.
I'm a ninja.
Your team scored.
Die, baby, die. You look like you got it.
Your team has the enemy flag. Your team dropped the enemy flag. Returned. Your team has the enemy flag. Enemy dropped your flag. Your flag returned. Your team scored. Your team has the enemy flag. Your team scored. Your team has the enemy flag. Your team scored. Your team has the enemy flag.
Oh no, no, they're getting away. Up here, they're getting away. Bro. Guys, make a wall. Make a wall. Oh, come on.
Yeah, make a wall. Make a wall. Make a wall.
Your team
Make a
scored.
wall. Make a wall. I could be detector, guys. I'll tell you what.
Hey. We're all friends here. We're all. And for your other hand,
Stop wasting your bullets. Stop wasting that
other hand.
You need that for the RP too.
Enemy has your flag. Enemy dropped your flag. Your flag returned. Enemy dropped your flag. Your flag returned.
Hey, I'll go this way. How do we get out? Guys!
That's a fire!
Guys! Well, where's the flag? It's over here.
Enemy has your flag.
Oh, I get the. What the? Guys, what's the flag? They took the flag.
Double kill. Enemy team scored.
Use a gun.
Haha!
Your team has the enemy flag. Your team dropped the enemy flag. Returned.
Yes, they dropped the flag. got the tank. We got the big.
No, you don't. No, by far our thing was fire.
We got the tank. We got a tank.
Enemy has your flag. Enemy flag, return flag.
We got the big tanks. We got the tanks.
Oh, oh no! I should have.
Ow!
I love it when a gun actually works. It actually hits in the damn crosshairs.
Hey, you, dog.
Guys,
I'll use you as a shield, and as a minigun, I'll be behind.
Do not go in that tunnel.
yeah,
That's
but
what I'm
I'm a
saying.
tank.
I will risk my life.
Yeah, and I can.
Not you again. Not, bro.
Dang, yeah, dad.
Ow! Where the hell? You got the big stick. Dang it!
30 seconds remaining.
You know what? I'm gonna get my spam gun.
Get your
Yeah, y'all do.
Yeah.
10 seconds remaining. Your team has the enemy flag. 3, 2,
Alright, no need to
One.
flex. No need
Round
to flex.
I have the
Victory.
flag.
Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Oh, small fist bump.
Ding.
Boom. High five. High five. High fives. Smack! Ha!
You can do Meltdown for Infinite Full, Liminal, which is Backrooms, Rockets only, Gauntlets only,
Donut, donut,
Radar.
donut, donut. Katana only, katana only.
One on left.
Only. Where is katana only? Let's do Meltdown. Let's do Meltdown.
I'd even get to choose, damn it.
No. We are.
Ooh, I could kill everyone.
Bro, stop raping.
One blue. Except for me.
3, 2, 1. Begin.
But easy.
Wow. Teaming. Amazing. And before people say, oh, of course they're teaming, it's a teaming game. This mode is free for all.
know what?
That was a direct shot.
That was not
3
team.
fucking times. A direct shot, and it did nothing.
Wait, let's be on their team.
Nobody will let me on their team.
Can you not shoot me when I'm shooting someone else?
I will kill you.
That's some bullshit, because I shot him more times than he shot me.
They literally added Mario Kart into this game. Crazy. But spawn killing would be appreciated if
Why won't it let me go up?
Do you come to peace? No, you don't. Wait, you're on my team. Oh, sorry. Reset. Alex.
I never lose a fight. Wait, aren't you on my team?
Yeah?
Double kill.
Triple kill. We're top
Hey,
smash.
dude, that's rude.
Top smash. Alright.
Humans not allowed in these game modes.
Sorry. That's sorry. Canada. That's sorry. Jeez.
What would you do? Huh?
Double kill.
I gotta get up.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, please. I'll be on your team. I'll be on your.
Yeah, I'm on your team.
No, you should have died. Man, battery's low again.
Behind you! Ah! Okay.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Ah! Ah! Wait.
He wasn't even shooting me.
Dude, Steve!
He's immortal.
Yo, look behind you. What's up? Bruh.
Use a real gun. People who use damn riot shields.
Right there, right there, right there.
I'm getting tired of all these teamers. I'm done. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Sorry about all the teamers and all that. Hopefully in my next video it's different, but I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye bye.